Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. When the Google Chrome application opens, you will notice three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on them. A drop-down menu will open where you can go down to the Settings option and click on it. On the next page, also in the drop-down menu, look for the language option and click on it. The application will open a language page where you will be offered Chrome's language, where you can choose the language you will use in the Chrome application. Then Preferred Languages, where you can add other languages in addition to the native language you use in Chrome. And of course, Translation Settings, where you can also choose another language in addition to your material language so that you can translate pages in that language. We will select the Chrome language and click on it. This is where the magic happens. When the page opens in the drop-down menu, you can choose any language that exists in the world, which Chrome has added to the list. Click on the selected language, and you will see how Chrome will restart, and you will see the interface in the language you selected. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in Google Chrome. It's a quick process that can make your browsing experience more pleasant and enjoyable. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.